Hello, my friends. I hope you are well. Today, we want to talk about a web scraper. Actually, it's a really fun web scraper that can help us to scrap any page. And please consider it's just for educational purpose and it's not for commercial purpose. Okay, we want to use a very fun tools. The name is Firecrawl, and I found out that's really powerful tool can help us in web scraping to actually achieve a very clean and structured data. Okay, let's see the code and review the code. Just usual modules for crawl, OpenAI, use .n for environmental variables, OS, JSON, pandas because we want to save our files in a Excel or CSV format. And first of all, we need a function to define scrap data. As nothing is just a function that can get a URL, any URL from internet. It can read our environmental variables. We need our OpenAI key and Firecrawl API key. In this part, our OpenAPI key for our application. And I increase the main content limit to more than 100,000 because I want to get more rows compared to default it's just 10 rows. And this part of code show us, yeah, I need a markdown format of the code. If it's not in the markdown, it's empty, please give me this error message. And then we need to save our codes, array data. And the most important part is related to this part, format data. I just used different fields because I want to use and scrap the cryptocurrency CoinMarketCap. I want to scrap different fields like for example, name, price, market cap, volume, all these titles. Okay, so I can see the result something like these tables, for example, Bitcoin, this price, and other things. Okay, so back to code, and here is a system message and user message, and the most important thing is in part we can use GPT-4 or any model you like. For example, you can use Mistral model, you can use Llama 3 and any model you like, but we want to use the OpenAI and the GPT-4o. And the final part is response part, and finally save formatted data. I want to save it in the folder. The name is output. I provided here. And so I just need to make a folder here, the output, to save final result. Okay. And finally, convert and formatted Excel will be saved in the output folder. I want to use the CoinMarketCap, but you can use other website if you want, but in my case it's enough. We're going to use just this website, CoinMarketCap. And okay, see what will be happen. Python app.py. It takes a little time process, and then we can see the output. Okay, raw data saved to output raw data. So here we can see our raw data. I'm just waiting for JSON format and Excel format as well. It takes a little time, and you can see the magic will be happen. Okay, so you can find before see the results. You can see the GitHub repository for this code, and thanks to Reda Marzouk because the original codes come from the Reda Marzouk, and you can see some useful information about the feature, how you can install it, usage, dependencies, and license. And actually, there's a good README file and app.py. I will upload requirements that txt as well. There is not a lot of requirements in this file. I will actually make it, just a minute to make it. Pip freeze requirements that txt can save the requirements file for us here. It's all requirements. You need to make this project. I will upload it in the GitHub as well. Okay, the output is completed, and we can see the data in the beautiful for JSON format. You can see cryptocurrencies, name, Bitcoin, price, 1 hour, 24 hours, 7-day price, market cap, and every information you need. And the most beautiful part is this Excel file. It's not bad to see it in the text editor. Okay, it's better to see it in the here output. You can see, yes, here you can see 24 rows, Bitcoin price, and everything you want, and you can actually achieve more rows with increasing the token parts. And that's all. I hope you enjoy this project, and happy code. Bye bye.